Hey, what is up, everybody? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer. We're here from Jacksonville, Florida. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day or wonderful evening whenever you are watching this video. And I want to cut this quick video because I often, as you see in other videos, I like doing these videos whenever the guys and gals over at MLSP have, I think, great webinars to have you to help you grow your business. Hey, I'm always on these webinars too as well, always learning something new to help me continue to grow my own business. But I entitled this video "How to Become an Instant Authority in Any Niche," and this is basically for the webinar this coming Wednesday that the guys and gals are going to do over at MLSP. And it is by my good friend Norbert Orlewicz, who happens to be one of the co-founders of MLSP. And it gives a free training where he's going to go over the 6 proven authority methods to help you get customers and clients for any business. So if you're in network marketing and affiliate marketing, home business entrepreneurship, direct sales, he's going to go over what you can do to continue to build your business, even if you're brand new. So as it says here, these 6 methods will help you to become an instant expert in any niche and virtually overnight with MLSP co-founder Norbert Orlewicz. My good friend Norbert Orlewicz. That's Norbert Orlewicz right there. That's my good friend Brian Manali, also the co-founder of MLSP. But we're going to be hearing from Norbert Orlewicz. Just so you know, if you are watching this video before December 12th, you have until December 12th to register for the webinar. But if you're watching it after, that link will go to a different webinar. So if you do want to take advantage of this, learn the skill sets, learn what you need to know from Norbert, you have 4 days, 3 hours, 43 minutes, and 51 seconds to sign up. Just a little background on Norbert. Norbert has been an industry expert in the area of network marketing, affiliate marketing, internet marketing. He knows his stuff. He's been around for a while, over almost, I want to say 16 years. He has been around 16 plus years. He's been around, so he knows his stuff. This would definitely be something that can help your business grow. Like I said, I will be there right with you guys, learning the tools, the resources, the tips to help me become better in my own business. So there you go. That's it for today, guys. Quick video for you about the upcoming webinar. Again, it is a free training, free webinar, no cost to you. But what you'll learn will add so much value to you as a business person, to you as an entrepreneur. All right, guys. Also, I want to remind you guys, as always, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe to receive all my videos when they do come out. Also, click that little bell so that you're notified when I do come out with new videos covering training tips, resources, just things to help you grow your business. Even reviews of things that I found that can be of assistance to you and that can add value to you as an entrepreneur. All right, guys, this is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer, and I will see you on the next video. God bless you guys. Peace.